Guys, today I will talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, you click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on personalize, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on mobile, so just click on it. Then here add your phone number and you click here on continue here. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.